Question 6. If bracket open 3 minus 4 root 2 bracket close bracket open again 1 plus 3 root 2 bracket close equal to a plus b root 2. Find the value of b. Solution. All we have to do here is to simplify the left hand side by expansion to give us something like this. Then the coefficient of root 2 is b. Alright, solution. Expand the left hand side. You have the given expression. To do that, you take the first term in the first bracket to multiply the second bracket. You have this result. Then the second term in the first bracket, that is minus 4 root 2 to multiply the second bracket. So minus 4 root 2 times 1. You have this result. Minus 4 root 2 times plus 3 root 2. Minus times plus is minus. 4 times 3 is 12. Then root 2 times root 2 is root 4, which is equal to 2. Then everything equal to the right hand side. You simplify from here, you have these results. You come here and add like terms. You have plus 5 root 2. Then 3 minus 24 from here will follow. 3 minus 24 is minus 21 plus 5 root 2. By comparison, in order to get b, you compare this term with this term, and it follows that b is equal to 5. The correct option is A. Question 7. Find the time for which $1,250 will amount to $2,031.25 at 12.5% per annum simple interest. Solution. From the question, you have the principal. This is the amount. You have the rate. Interest is unknown. Then we are to find time. In order to get time, we need the simple interest first. You have to recall that amount is always equal to principal plus interest. You have amount equal to principal plus interest. You have to transfer the principal to the left hand side. you have this result equal to interest. Therefore, interest becomes $781.25. We have to recall the simple interest formula in order to find time. Then, if you make time the subject of the formula, you have this new formula. Therefore, you have 100 times interest over principal times rate. When you simplify the numerator and denominator, you have this result. After division, the time is equal to 5 years. The correct option is D. Question 8. If log 2s minus 1 base 3 is equal to 5, find the value of s. Solution. To find the value of s with ease, you have to express the log form in index form. To do that, the base in the log form is also the base in the index form. The right hand side or the solution in the log form is equal to the power in the index form. What I mean by the solution is that this equation is equal to 5. So find the value of s that will make this equation equal to 5. Then the power or the number in the log form will have to be the other side. 3 power 5 is equal to 243. Transfer minus 1 to the right hand side, you have this result and you have this. To get s, divide both sides by 2. Therefore, s is equal to 122. That is option D. Alternatively, in order to find s, you can decide to cancel off log base 3. That is only possible if log base 3 is also on the right hand side. Thinking along base 3, you can say that log 3 base 3 is 1. That is logarithm of its own base law. So if we introduce log 3 base 3 to the right hand side, it can be written in this form. Then this, we have to remove this. Then you are left with this and 3 power 5 as you have it from here. So when you equate log to base 3 and simplify, you have s to be equal to 122. Question 9. The population of a town increases by 3% every year. In the year 2000, the population was 3,000. Find the population in the year 2003. So after the year 2000, the next year is 2001, 2002, then 2003. You calculate the 3% increment respectively, then you add it. All right? Solution: the year 2000 population is equal to 3,000. That is settled. Then we move to the year 2001 population, which is equal to 3% increment of the year 2000 population. That is 3% of 3,000, and that gives 90. What we have is increment. Therefore, you have to add 90 to the population of the year 2000 to get the population of the year 2001. Then we move to the year 2002. The population is now 3% increment of the year 2001 population. You compute 3% of 3,090, and that is 92.7. You have to add it to the population of the year 2001 in order to get population of the year 2002, and that is 3,182.7. We move to the population of the year 2003, which is 3% increment of the population of the year 2002. So you have to compute 3% of this value. You have it in this form, and that is 95.489. Then the population of the year 2003, you have to add this value to the population of the year 2002, and that will give you 3,278.181. To the nearest whole number, the population of the year 2003 is 3,278. That is option B. Question 10. A trader gave a change of 540 naira instead of 570 naira to a customer. Calculate the percentage error. Solution: percentage error is equal to error over actual amount times 100. So error is the difference between the actual amount, which is higher in this case, and the wrong amount. So percentage error is equal to actual amount 570 minus wrong amount 540 divided by actual amount 570 times 100. You subtract from here, you have 30 over 570 times 100. 0 cancel 0. If you reduce from here again, you have 1 over 19 times 100, which is equal to 100 over 19. That is an improper fraction. When you convert to a mixed fraction or number, you have 5 whole number 5 over 19%. So the correct option is A.